Today I have here 4 column or 4 pier that we're going to install stone around them. And I want to walk you through the process step by step of how to do this. If this is something that you're interested in learning how to do, with no further ado, you will learn how to do it in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright, so as you see here, we have 4 columns. These ones, the contractor provided stone, the mortar, just like it is there. They don't want to put any, which you don't even need to put any weeping plastic or Tyvek on it. It's iron. But yeah, we're just gonna install the stone just like that, square all 4. That's what's coming up right now. I even feel like you might have enough mortar, you know. Eh? You know, Emery, I don't think you will have enough mortar for this thing either, eh? I don't know, no.
Let me know by when you get to the second one, I'll go grab it right away.
If you're gonna go with the Home Depot mortar, it's too far for that to go on there. Maybe 20 more minutes to finish this.
Yo, he's gonna finish fast, bro.
Take your hand.
He comes, he's like, it's gonna take 2 days.
Go back in here a little bit. You see, they're not.
He ends up finishing in the afternoon.
They're not lined up. Go over there, over that side. So I'm gonna have to do it independent.
That's not my job.
Well, I want to know because I want to know if I should go off.
So probably bring this guy a bit more. Out.
A little bit. Yeah, but your line up. You did line up off of. You line up those off of this. All it. Nine and a half. Change is 2 3/4 medium.
2 3/4 medium.
I'm showing you. Yes, sir.
Oh, yours is what, Samsung?
That's the latest Samsung S24. It does it.
Oh.
And with the editing too, I can get the cinematic mode. And it does a nice work with zoom too.
that.
I had my old Samsung S10. And they had a promotion on it for 500.
What?
I'm like, you know what? I gotta get this phone. I just ship it over to them, you know?
Samsung is from China, man. Nothing, no one can beat China.
Harcın üstüne de strafon koy. Kapat bize lazım olacak. Mala tava falan dursun orada. Float falan.
Yeah, after this one.
And his dad works at KFC.
2 3/4. 2 3/4 medium and then small. 9 1/4. Small. And then we're gonna have to go with it's a little bit too wet now still, but I'm just rough it up before. Because it's a short so yes, and then it's gonna bring it right up to where we need to be.
When I start, you use that in the square.
Yeah man, I square off of that. I'm square off of that too. But me square if get it still prepare feet 4 inches. Medium. So once we finish we're gonna get our tape. So it's 1/4 1/2. We're gonna go right to measure the same 1/4 1/2 as you see here. It's 1/4 1/2. It's right through 1/4 1/2. If you look right close up to the tape you can see 1/4 1/2. And as we go around it's 1/4 1/2. So all 4 corners it's 1/4 1/2. After we complete, next thing you want to do, you want to get your level and put your level straight down like this. If you look, it's 100% plumb, and if you see, everything is nice and straight. So you're gonna go through all 4 corners. You're gonna do the same thing. Now, for instance, if you check this one wanna go in a little bit like that. You just stop in this, but you can't watch the hedge, the middle part of the stone. You gotta watch the hedge. So this hedge needs to line up with this edge. So I just see the middle part kind of project out. So we're gonna work off of both hedge, this edge and this hedge. Same with these ones, as you see here, everything line up. So we're gonna do the same thing, go right around. Same thing, just make sure that everything is nice in line with each other. We check this side, we need to also come over here and check this side as well. Everything should look straight down. Everything should be 100% plumb as you go up. So now we're gonna do a little bit of joint while we're waiting for the stone. That's gonna go here. right now where we are, all we need now is just to install our sills.
Oh, yeah, these things, you have to do still with it.
Here we should have 3.5 inches. Alright, so I have my wire brush. Now we're gonna do a rake joint. Have it here sit a couple minutes. Sit here for a few minutes. Oh. Square it both sides, make sure that both sides have. Look at the tomato doing.